My name is Mickey and I'm going to attempt to learn how to play the guitar. Hopefully you'll come along with me. Following on from the previous couple of lessons where we looked at the chords A minor, C and E. We're now going to add a few more chords to your collection by minor adjustments of your finger positions from the three chords that you already know. As always, don't rush. It's more important to take your time in getting your fingertips into the correct position than rushing things. When you build up enough muscle memory, playing these chords will come as second nature and you'll be able to change quickly and flawlessly. As always, make sure your guitar is in tune. If it's in tune, it should sound like this. Our first new chord that we're going to look at is basically derived from the A minor chord. If you remember, that's the very first chord we looked at. And the new chord is called A sus2. What A sus2 means, I haven't got a clue. But it's played like this. A minor, lifting your index finger up, and it goes from as far as I can see, it's not used in many songs, but for our next lesson, it's going to be quite important. Keep that in mind. From the A minor position, move all your fingers up into the E position, the E chord position. So all the three fingers up, and now you're forming E. So playing the E, if you lift your index finger up, we have E minor. So we're going from E as far as I can see, E minor is used in a lot of songs. So it's quite an important one for you to get down. So again, E, E minor, E, E minor, all by lifting your index finger up. Here's where we start getting a little bit adventurous. What we're going to do is form a C chord and moving these two fingers up one string while lifting your index finger and placing your little pinky on the third fret on the bottom string. So basically what we're doing is C going to G, C, G, C, G, C, G. G is one of those chords that is used in quite a lot of songs as far as I can see. So that's a quite important one, but also a little bit adventurous. So even at this early stage of us learning how to play guitar, you can still get a nice little tune out of it. Just play around with it, you'll never know what you'll find. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. If you don't, I'll send Michelle around to have a little chat. Hey Michelle?